Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cellular service or mobile data service in your iPhone if it is not working properly or it is not available in your iPhone. So guys, if you're facing this problem in your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix it. So as here you can see this, my mobile service or cellular service is not working in my iPhone. So here I will show you how can you fix it. So the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply turn on the flight mode for 30 seconds in your iPhone, and after this you have to turn it off. So guys, after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if you are still facing this problem, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to open settings in your device, and from here scroll it below, tap on general, tap on software update, and make sure that you are using the updated version in your device. So guys, after this go back, and from here scroll it below and tap on date and time and turn on the toggle for set automatically from here. And after this go back and tap on VPN and device management and check if there is any connected VPN in this device. You have to simply disconnect it. So guys, after this go back and from here tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings in your device. So guys, enter the passcode for your iPhone and reset the network settings, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if you are still facing this problem, then you have to force restart your device for one time. So I simply press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, force restart the device, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if you are still facing this problem, then you have to simply take out your SIM card in your iPhone, then you have to again insert the SIM in your iPhone. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.